How to edit your reservation. Your booking to Paradise Beach Cozumel is fully customizable up to 8 a.m. Central Standard Time the day before your arrival date. Editing your booking is very easy. Go to paradisebeachcozumel.com and click on My Bookings. Log in with your email and reservation number. You can find your reservation number on your booking confirmation email. Then click on Continue. You will see the Edit button next to your reservation details. Click on Edit. On the Edit section, you can modify the details of your reservation. If your travel date remains the same, you can scroll down and change the number of people in your reservation, fun passes, top shelf packages, and day beds. You'll notice that the day beds you have booked are highlighted in blue, while the day beds that are still available are shown in pink, and the ones that are not available are shown in gray. To change your day beds, please click on the booked day bed to unselect it. It will switch from blue to pink again. Then select any of the available day beds to add them to your booking. They should switch to blue as you add them. Please notice that if you click on the number of a day bed, a picture of the view that you would get from that day bed will be shown. To close the picture, just click on the cross on the top right side of the picture. In case you need to change your travel date, please go to the calendar and click on a new available date. Since you have changed the date of your booking, you will be prompted to enter your new cruise line and cruise ship information. We request your cruise information to assist with refunds in the event of cruise-related cancellations. Changing your travel date will also remove all previous daybed reservations. Now you can book new daybeds if they are available for your new arrival date. Please notice that as you add or remove anything from your booking, you will see the amount on total due on check-in will increase or decrease, but your deposit paid will remain the same. The balance will be applied at check-in upon your arrival to Paradise Beach. When you're done editing your booking, click on Update Order. And that's it! Your booking has been successfully updated. Please notice that your confirmation number always remains the same. You will receive a new confirmation email with all your changes applied and a QR code for fast check-in on arrival to Paradise Beach. See you soon at beautiful Paradise Beach, Cozumel.